Hey everybody, it's Urban Sweetheart Teresa. So I'm coming at you with a new video today. I'm making honey garlic chicken wings. And I'm really hungry. I just finished work and I took out chicken wings before I left. I knew I was going to be hungry. So if you want to see how I do this, keep on watching. All right, folks, so here we go. I have 6 chicken wings that I cut in half. I washed them off. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of kosher salt on them, not that much, and some black pepper, not that much. Mix it up. I have my cast iron skillet going. I put some oil in it, and we're going to drop these wings in here. You can put a little flour on if you want. I didn't. You hear that crackling and sizzling? That's what you want here. You know your oil is good and hot. Gonna cook these for about between 12 to 15 minutes. And I'll be back when they're done. Okay, the wings are almost done. This is what they're looking like. Let's get started on the sauce. So we're gonna go with half a stick of butter. We're using garlic cloves. I use 5 of them. Use as many as you want. If you like a lot of garlic, use more. You don't use less. So I minced it. Minced garlic. And we're gonna just heat that garlic up a minute, because nobody wants raw garlic with their wings. Okay, let's give it a couple of minutes. Let that cook through. Make sure these wings are done. Almost. Alright, so like I said, we're going to cook this for like 1 minute till the butter melts and the garlic is fragrant. If you want to get that garlic to move it, you don't want raw garlic. Nobody wants raw garlic. Then I'm going in with some honey. Use whatever kind of honey you got. Going in with 1 nice, generous tablespoon. Get in there, honey. Get in there. Get in there. All of it. Yeah. This is where that assistant really comes in handy. I'm going to have to pause this and get that honey in there. So, remember, you're putting a nice, good amount of honey in there. Nice over the top tablespoon. Now, this is the secret ingredient. If you can find this, Korean barbecue sauce. If not, use something like Baby Ray's or whatever. But I put 1/3 of a cup of that in there. Stir it up, stir it up, stir it up. And then I had some mixed peppercorns and this whole thing and muddled it up Take a nice pinch and put it in there. I like fresh cracked. A little bit more of the kosher salt. Put how much you want. Remember, I'll be trying to watch that salt, but you got to balance that sweet, so you got to put some in there. And I like heat, so I got this from, what was it, Ross? It was $4.99. Sweet Heat. I've been using this. It put some spice in my food, so I'm gonna give a few shakes of that. You don't have to put that if you don't want, but I'm telling you, if you like spicy, that's gonna do it for you. And you let that heat through. And let's take this over to the wings and coat them. Okay, so here's our chicken wings. And let's take this sauce. If I can get it without burning myself to death. Pour it all over it. Now, you know, if I was off camera, I would get all of that out of the pan. I'm gonna coat all of your chicken wings. Very well. Take your time, let it soak in. So everybody, I'm back. I've been licking my fingers. The wings are done. I've plated them up. Time to eat. Yum, yum, yum. Where to start, where to start, where to start, where to start, where to start. It's not overly sweet. That's what I like. And I didn't put that much heat to them. You know, I normally can. I overdo that heat sometimes. So, I ain't gonna hold y'all up. Quick, easy, late night snack. I ain't make nothing else to go with it. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, y'all.